Hello friends, this is PC Mentor, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to boot the USB pen drive with a command prompt. So let's get started after this short intro. So as you can see here, I'm going to show you the USB that